Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.7 question number 5. How many terms of the series 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus up to so on plus n terms must be taken to make 208 given 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus up to so on plus n? Here first term, that is a1, is equal to 12, second term, that is equal to 16. D is the common difference between a1 and a2, so value of a2 is equal to 16 minus value of a1 is equal to 12. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4, so common difference equal to 4. According to question, so S infinite is equal to 208. We know that Sn is equal to n divide 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So by putting the values, Sn is equal to 208, that is Sn equal to n divided by 2 into 2, value of a1 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into d, so d is equal to 4. 208 is equal to n divide 2 into 2, 12 times 24 plus 4 n minus 4, 1 time 4. 24 minus 4 is equal to 20, so 20 plus 4n. So next, taking common 2, so 2n into 2 10 times 20 plus 2 2 times 4, so above and below to cancel. 208 is equal to n into 10 plus 2n by multiplying n, so n multiplied 2n is equal to 2n square plus 10n. Next, by arranging 2n square plus 10n is equal to 208, so taking common 2 into n square plus 2 5 time 10, 5n is equal to 200, dividing by 2 on both side, so n square plus 5n is equal to 104 times 208 equal to 104, so n square plus 5n minus 104 is equal to 0. 13 8 times 104, so 13 minus 8 is equal to 5, so taking common n into n plus 13 minus 8 common into n minus multiply minus plus 8, 13 times 104 equal to 0, so next common n plus 13 into n minus 8 equal to 0, so n minus 8 equal to 0 and n plus 13 equal to n is equal to 8 and n is equal to minus 13. This is not acceptable. N is equal to 8 is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.